Hello everyone! Alam niyo ba, teachers, brown out ngayon. Nag-brown out starting mga 6 o'clock. Yun pag-start ng aking klase. I have 10 classes today. Buti na lang mayroon na akong backup. Of course, when I go back to 5-1 talk, talagang sinigurado ko na yung backup internet at saka backup battery ko in case of power outage. Kasi yung mga na-experience new teachers, I've experienced that one. Those bad experiences noong year 2020. Yeah, wala akong backup, walang backup internet. So yun, palaging absent. Lugi palagi. Right now, it's already 7:49 and naghihintay ako sa aking student. There. Kaya lang, absent siya. Yes. Pero, imagine nyo ha, teachers, starting 6 o'clock, kung wala akong backup, lahat yun absent. 150, yun kalaki. Diba? So, it's very important in the ESL world, yung backup internet at saka backup battery talaga.